What's up, guys? Both sides coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there with another?
Your forehead big as shit. Let me slap it. Oh!
Why you do it, John Croc?
Bang! But as usual, guys, right before we get tonight, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Friday! Congrats to all my beautiful people that made it to Friday. If you wake up and you watch this right now, that means you're blessed. So give God thanks. Stop being ungrateful and get up every day and a grumble up in your feelings. Get out of it and give God thanks. Let's go. Alright, peeps. Right into the store. No more itching. Check. You see that post here? L.A. Lewis did it again. What do you? Yo, that's the one new bima. The man posted and the man said, throwback Thursday. I were 21 when I bathed my first BMW 7777777. A whole heap of 7. So, man, I make you know say yo, from my age 21, he copy new thing. You know what I mean? I'm proud of him still, I see it. Haters gonna say it's Photoshop. Don't bad mind the man, what do you? The man have a bema. Hey! And them have the figure, remind me of my Benz and my Lexus and my Bema. Pull it! Yeah, man, it look nice still. Watch it. Check out all the license plate. Abunda la caca. Yo, customize it. Yo, the man customize all the license plate, you know, man. 7. I'll be your 7 or your man, LA. And this was the age of 21. Oh, well, L.A. Lewis is right now. But congrats, L.A. Lewis, for your Bima purchase still, but then still. I mean, you're 21. So, yo, L.A., wait there now. Alright, peeps. Yeah. And next video right now, ready. So, we just get a video of Chef Amari in the kitchen. I chef up something, so make we go check it out now, you know what I mean? Yeah, you know what I mean? You should have a special meal. I don't know, make we see.
Welcome to Amari's kitchen. Today I'm doing my cook show to show you the secret for my weight loss. You know, to be honest with you, I haven't lost the pounds, but I've gotten real slim. So you do the arithmetic, okay? So here we have 2 fish, and I also added red pepper, garlic.
Well, no. The apple that she add to the something. I wish I do season it up and all them thing there. She add apple to the fish. Me not understand.
Go down the seat, girl. Go down the seat. Him too outside. Him too outside. Woman strength him have. Mash up his face. Him too outside. Mash up his face. Mash up his face. How man strength him have. Mash up his back. You're gonna see it. With him outside. A woman chant if I wear one man, he would have walked down him man so. Then if the woman never pay feet, or he would have come out with it.
Oh!
Okay. Alright. So the story is this. the woman go in and store the basket and all of them stuff there and come out, right? So she walk around with her things them she bought and come out of the store, and then the store owner call the security and probably say she thief something, and the security go back for it and take it from the woman. The hustle and the tussle right there. So end of the story is she go back to the store. After all of this happened, them go back to the store and show the receipt. She show her receipt for everything and it cool right there. So but based on what I analyze from this is two things go wrong and one can agree. First, the security guard shouldn't even just go to the woman and grab the thing. He shouldn't approach her and say, "Miss, can I see a receipt for them thing there, right? For the items." Because you just come out of the store and bam bam bam, right? Alright. The woman should not just comply and just show the receipt. Or in the middle of the tussle, just take out the receipt and show the security guard and quail it there. But she have a long argument about dig her face and this and that. And what everybody head does at. Yo, but guess what? Me glad say nothing happen and everything sort out. Tell me your thoughts on the whole matter. It's a crazy world, man. It's crazy.
Me personally, me not believe in a splitting bills. Man supposed to be provider. Man pay bills. Woman a nurturer. Woman supposed to take care of the house. Make sure you feel nice. Cook for you. Shit like that. Simple.
Alright, when you hear that, the man say he not believe in a splitting bills. Man must pay bills. Woman a nurturer. She's supposed to make you feel good. Supposed to cook, clean the house, and everything. Now Lincoln, may agree with the statement, but yo, that can't really happen for enough people in this time right now. Big man thing, bro. Yeah, I'm a virgin. I'm a know and thing, but guess what? That can't really happen right now because things very expensive, brother. Normal rent in a 2-bedroom house right now all $100,000 in a nice apartment. How much people make so much money, big brother? I know for everybody that can't work. What to the man who make all like $40,000 a month right now? And right now in Jamaica, half the country don't even have a job right now because of this big C thing. So I understand what I say, but for enough people that not gonna work because enough people don't have that money there. For you to be able for pay enough bills or really cover enough of the bills them, if you now make and feel alright, if you now make a 120 a month, it a go kinda rough. It a go kinda rough, big brother, because utility bills nowadays are just normal place. I start at 15 grand. And if a man make what $50,000 a month, that chunk out the money him left with 35. And then him go have to go pay rent. A normal rent nowadays at a normal place are what 35,000, 40 grand up. Yeah, 1 bedroom and stuff. Yo, that rough, brother. So him pretty much left with 5 grand. Nothing. So I understand what you say and think I may have enough other points so I can say to and share to, but boy, Lincoln, that not gonna work for enough people still, because enough people just not have it. You know what I mean? So yeah, but let me know your thoughts down there, so in the comment section. Yeah. What? Yeah. Hope you enjoy the video and ting. Yeah, man. Really hope you enjoy it. Happy Friday once again. What has been telling you my thoughts on the whole matter is the security guard and the woman. I'm gonna sort out things better still. Everybody head too hot, but I just so we people Jamaican people, we head at rebellious type of spirit and thing. Everybody ate at it could have been dealt with in a more mature and civilized matter, but what do I know, man? Yeah. LA Lewis, congrats on the BMW again, my friend. Oh, you made a shoot a music video and borrow it, that's it. Can borrow it? Yeah. Anyway, Lincoln, Virgin, yeah, we are still and not true. But guess what? I know everybody can manage that. You know what I mean? Not now. Not worse now. Worse now. Utilities and things kinda dear. Very, 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 very expensive right now. But big up on yourself. Team ENT. I remember to check out the rest of my video then, like me challenge them with me Sinus, and remember my game channel to, you know, Sinus Gaming, PSYNOSGAMING. Check it out, man, cause we don't reach 1,000 yet, but we want to reach 1,000. I got take a little bit still, you know, cause I'm kind of busy with that main channel, yeah? But yeah, we're there. I go and put in the work. Thank you very much for watching. Happy Friday again. God bless y'all. Yeah. Nothing else left to say. I'm just going to join you there, boy. Hey!